Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hi, welcome to your English pronunciation practice. Today we will train the sound R with clear words and short phrases.
Great, Emma. I am ready to listen, repeat, and sound more natural.
Excellent, Nexo. Keep your ears active and repeat slowly first, then a little faster. Before we start, I will show you the structure of this pronunciation lesson. Words. You will hear useful words with the AR sound and repeat them clearly. Second part, phrases. You will hear short phrases so you can notice the sound in real speech. This lesson is simple but powerful. Listen carefully and copy the sound.
I like it. Short, clear, and easy to repeat.
Perfect. Let's begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Car. Car.
Star. Star.
Jar. Jar. Arm. Arm. Barn. Barn. Farm. Farm. Park. Park. Card. Card. Cart. Cart. Shark. Shark. Scarf. Scarf. Dart. Dart. Harp. Harp. Yarn. Yarn. Garden. Garden. Market. Market. Marble. Marble. Alarm. Alarm. Phrases.
Good job completing the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible. Now, in phrases, your goal is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the sounds.
Nice. I'll focus on the sound inside each phrase.
Car. Car. The car is red. The car is red.
Star. Star.
A star is bright. A star is bright. Jar. Jar. The jar is full. The jar is full. Arm. Arm. My arm hurts. My arm hurts. Barn. Barn. The barn is big. The barn is big. Farm. Farm. The farm has cows. The farm has cows. Park. Park. We walk in the park. We walk in the park. Card. Card. This card is blue. This card is blue. Cart. Cart. The cart is empty. The cart is empty. Shark. Shark. A shark swims fast. A shark swims fast. Scarf. Scarf. Your scarf is green. Your scarf is green. Dart. Dart. The dart hits the wall. The dart hits the wall. Harp. Harp. The harp sounds nice. The harp sounds nice. Yarn. Yarn. The yarn is soft. The yarn is soft. Garden. Garden. The garden is green. The garden is green. Market. Market. The market is open. The market is open. Marble. Marble. This marble is small. This marble is small. Alarm. Alarm. The alarm is loud. The alarm is loud.
Great work! You and Nexo finished this pronunciation lesson on the R sound.
Yes. I can hear the sound better now. That was fun.
Excellent practice today. See you in the next class.